What is up, guys? Sorry about the light. I'm in the bed. So, I just wanted to show you a quick tour of my farm because I've always had it complete. Okay, let's just get into it, I guess. So, of course, we're supposed to start with the room. Here's Marigold Louise. Sorry for the background noise, just don't mind it. So I have my room, my Haley's room right here. I go inside. I have my statue of, wait, what's it called again? I have like a billion of these. But what's it? I have 934 of these. It's called Statue of True Perfection. So not just statue of perfection, true perfection. So that's really good. It gives you a lot of things every day, like only prismatic shard every day. But isn't that like the rarest gem, So let's put this here. We have my Ginger Island room. It has all the Ginger Island stuff. Just move this one here. All Ginger Island stuff. And here's my computer. Bam. So pieces of it. I have a lot of it. It's a lot. And now let's get to the farm. I have my horse right here. I have Haley right here. I have another one of these. I have my teleporting obelisks, my small teleporting obelisks. I can create a million of those, like a lot of those. The leaves are going strangely. I don't know why. They're going like in a square, but that's okay. I have my Junimos here and my ancient fruits here. I have my scarecrows here. All the decorations in my wood farm and my stone farm. I have a lot of baby dinos here, and ducks and rabbits and chickens. I have all sheep and cows here. There's a lot of them. Like, tell me about it. There's some batteries, battery packs ready for me. I have the statue of endless fortune and statue of perfection. Let me just fix that for a sec. And boom! There you go. It's fixed. So that's fixed. I have my hero trophies here, my Marigold Louise here. I have all that stuff, my razors, Obliques here. I have more statue of pure perfection here, of true perfection here. I have more statue of pure perfection here. I don't need this. I already have a lot with me right now. So, yes, I can do perfection here. And also over there, some over there. Yeah, it's hard to get them. So, yeah. I also have some over here. And here's my slime watch. I have some over here. Yeah, here it is. I have some over here and trophies here. I have my plants here. I have my chest here. They're mostly filled with a lot of stuff. I have my Junimo here. I have my grandpa's shrine over here. I have Earth Obliques here. And I'm kind of working on my what's it called? My farm in Ginger Island. So yeah, don't mind the music in the background, the background noise, any of that. Don't mind that. I was just start working on my farm rebuild. So rebuilding my farm because this is everything I hate about Stardew Valley. They literally don't do it. Yeah, crafting ancient seeds are easy. Like, all you need is one ancient seed. And that's so easy to get for me. One, wait, no, one ancient seed for one of these ancient seed packs. You know, it's so easy. I don't have ancient seed on me right now because it's at home, but I'm planting my ancient seeds right here. That's good. I have stuff in my shed too. Like here, it's bigger. I expanded it, so yeah, I expanded it. So let's just sell those to my trash can, because trash can is also a selling place. And I have all that. So yeah, I have all that. And then I have in my greenhouse. My greenhouse is like a blast though, but that it's a blast. Look at my greenhouse. Like, it's so big, you know. It's so big. I mean, I never knew ancient seeds were her, but yeah. So it's so big. I'm gonna go to Ginger Island, and I'm not gonna give you guys a tour. I will give you guys, like, I'll just show you that I'm building. I'll show you I'm building. After I'm done building, I'll show you a tour. So let's just go there. Okay, right now, Leo is already in Pelican Town. So yeah, Leo is in Pelican Town. So he wouldn't be here. I was working on it. I was working on it a little, but I couldn't really do it because I didn't have time. I didn't have time. Yes, I didn't have time. So I couldn't do it. It always goes fast, so I'm gonna speed this up by using some bombs for the tiny parts, because bombs can't get the big parts, so the tiny parts needs a bomb, so I don't have to do all the tiny parts. But all the tiny parts only needs one hit. Like, why am I using this? Only needs one hit. Okay, mahogany seeds. Nice. I don't really need these. Yes. It will be a hard work for me to just do all these stuff on this farm, because I haven't started it yet, so cheer me on as I go, because I won't be able to do this. Just I won't be able to do this, yeah. See, it's too much for me to do. I mean, I have 131 walnuts. I don't need the liver mail, but it's a farm. I mean, yeah, it's a farm. So it's a farm. We need mail. We have mail right now. Okay, I'm just gonna craft some paths. Maybe these good stone paths. I'll craft these. I just need one stone for them, so let me be right back. Oh my god, my fingers hurt so bad. Like, bro, I really had to do all of this all by myself. There is no co-op. in 1.5 Stardew Valley phone, so that should be something for you to know. Yes, that was a long time for me to do that. I mean, do you think I could even do that in like a minute or so? There's no way you think that. If you think that, I think you're crazy. I think you're being sarcastic. Some people are pros at Stardew Valley like me. I'm a pro. I've been playing for officially maybe a year now. So I am really good at Stardew Valley. But you know, takes a long time for you to get to where my point. But YouTubers, yeah, of Stardew Valley, they're really pros. They use mods too, so I don't even know how to download mods, but yeah. I don't know how to use mods. I mean, I don't know how to download mods. It's just how the way it is. Just the way it is. So, I need panels. Slowly generates batteries when left in the sun. So, oh yeah, I don't have any of them. Jokes. Oh my god. That took even longer. I mean, I have a lot of panels right now. That might have took like more than an hour. No, probably just another hour, that's it. But this video doesn't take an hour because I cut it short. So, yes. And it's getting a little late, so I'm gonna go sleep in my farm. And I'll wake up tomorrow. Okay, it's morning. Let's go work on a farm. Boom. I don't really need you right now, but yes. Let's make this panel thing. I don't know what to make, but guess it's linked to it. I don't know what I'm saying, but you know. 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We're good. Let's erase that. 1. Okay. We're good on this one. Just have to hoe it. Oh, no. Actually, that's 1, 2, 3 blocks more down. So, why did I take that? Oh, okay. Maybe we should do that. 1, 2, 3 block down. You might get ideas from this. Maybe. Who knows? You might. Okay. Let's do this. Okay. Okay. Let's get that. Let me craft some Indium sprinklers. Indium sprinkler. Indium bar, gold bar, battery bag. I'm gonna just go get a gold bar real quick. I'm gonna go get a gold bar. Okay. Gold bar was easy. Just needed to turn it into one and then I broke it. Sorry about the lighting and the noise. It's always the noise. What? Still no gold bar. Must have left it in the chest. I'm gonna go get it. Okay. I have my new sprinklers now because I got it from the chest. Why is that 4 blocks down? It should be 3. 1, 2, 3. That should be 3 blocks down. So then we're gonna need to arrange this. Okay, 3 blocks down. We're ready. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ready. We're ready for that. Now let's place our acorn seeds down and our Indium sprinklers. Let me summon my horse. Not enough space. Sorry if the video is taking too long. But, it's junior farm. I mean, it's it's a farm on Ginger Island. I only get used to farms on the 1.5 update because I'm at 1.4 update because this is the 1.5 update on phone. 1, 2, 3, 4. I already did Peter's Destructors. Let me buy 20 questions. Wait, no, my inventory is full, isn't it? I didn't really need that much gold, but sure. Okay. Let's put it on. Didn't even need this much too. Only needed 4 of these. But the more the merrier. Because I get more money by selling it into the trash can. Look at my money go up. See? My money went up. Okay. The middle, I'm thinking we should put rustic plant floor. Yes, this is what we should put in the middle. Okay. Let's do this. Quick second. Switch to this again. Quick second. Okay. Now that's figured out. I mean, like, yeah, it's figured out. So, what? We can place stuff on top of the. No, we can't. Whoa. Okay. Now that that's done, let's get some. What are they called? Lightning rods. Yes, let's get some lightning rods. I'm gonna build them, get the materials first. Okay, got him. I crafted them just now. I think we needed a little bit more lightning rods for that. Oh wait, I already have solar panels. Who needs lightning rods? If you got what are they called? Like panels or something? Yeah, solar panels. Got them right. Okay. So that means I don't need this. I don't need this right now because it has to stay jungly. Like right now in this room, I'm making it, I want it to be. What? What's happening here? Okay, I guess that's not getting colored in. At least it's still good. These corners won't get colored in. Don't know why. Don't know how. Okay. We're ready for this one. Just gotta take out the carpet. Ready for that room. Okay, did half of the farm, but not all of it. Ooh, this is gonna take a while. Oh no. 6 p.m. already. I need some lights. So I'll just get the lights. Okay, the lights are good. Just melt them now. Whoa. Just melt them now. Okay, it's really dark now. I have to go home. Because the light turned brighter. I have to go sleep. Next. I mean, it's obvious it's the next day. So, time for the panel. Okay. Where did the solar panels go? I don't see them over there. But that's okay, that's good. This is gonna be hard. I think we're gonna have to make a part 2, everyone. Well, let's end the video up here. Rangers. I call you guys, but at the end I can just call you Rangers because my name tag's a Ranger. Goodbye, Rangers. Let's make a part 2. Bye.